Power down the furnace or air handler before blower maintenance to prevent electrical shock and avoid damaging sensitive equipment. When servicing a blower motor or fan assembly, begin by switching off the equipment at the main service panel or using the unit disconnect to isolate power. Confirm zero voltage at the control and fan motor terminals with a reliable voltage tester before touching any internal parts. Testers can fail, so use a known live test first and then verify dead. Remove the blower access panel and look for stored energy sources such as capacitors and discharge them safely by shorting through a proper resistor or using an insulated screwdriver with one hand behind your back to avoid creating a path through the chest. Wear insulated gloves and safety glasses and position a non-conductive mat under your feet if you will be standing on a conductive surface. Keep wiring diagrams or take clear photos before disconnecting wires so you can restore original connections reliably and mark wire locations with tape and permanent marker. After maintenance, restore power and observe the unit through a complete start cycle, checking for unusual noise, vibration, smelling of burning insulation, or tripping breakers, and immediately power down if any of those occur. Common mistakes include assuming the power is off because the thermostat is set to off. Always isolate at the panel or disconnect and verify zero voltage before proceeding. Another frequent issue is neglecting to discharge the run capacitor, which can hold a dangerous charge. Safely discharge capacitors using a resistor or approved capacitor discharge tool and verify with a meter. A third problem is poor documentation of wire locations when removing connectors, which can lead to miswiring and motor damage. Take photos, label wires, and draw a quick sketch. So reconnection is straightforward. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical how-to guides relevant to safe maintenance tasks. Our site also helps contractors find work and join discussions in our community where they can share tips and ask technical questions.